This is my final project. What we are doing in this project is an automatic door. We are using an ultrasonic sensor, an LCD, 3 LED lights, and a servo motor. The ultrasonic sensor is right on the window. The LCD and LEDs are on top of the door, and the servo motor is on the left. Whenever it senses something less than 5 centimeters, it is going to open. And when it is closing, even if it's between the process and it senses something, it is going to open. I have my circuit right behind the door. We're using the Arduino Uno. We have it connected to the computer. And this is my program. Since we are using the LCD, we're going to open up the library, which would be the liquid crystal. And we are also going to use the library for my servo motor. After that, I have my pins. Right here, my first integer is going to say pose, which is going to be for position for my servo motor, and it's going to be position 0. Next, I have the pin number 11 for a trigger pin for my ultrasonic sensor, pin number 12 an echo pin for my ultrasonic sensor, and I have my green LED pin number 5, yellow LED pin number 7, red LED pin number 8. I have a variable, two variables that are called duration and centimeters, cm. In my setup, I'm starting up my servo motor, and it's going to be controlled by pin number 3. I'm going to initialize my LCD, and I'm going to declare my pins. And in my setup, I'm already going to tell my servo motor to start at the position, which in this case is going to be 0 because nothing has been changed. In my void loop, I'm calling other functions that I created. I created a function called sensor, door opening, open door, and close door. So first in my void loop, it's going to call for the sensor, and then after that, it's going to go to my if statement to check whether my centimeters is between 0 and 5. So that is what my sensor is for. And if it is going to first go to my door opening function. So door opening, I'm going to turn on my yellow LED and turn off my red LED. And then my LCD is going to say door opening. When the door is open, it is going to go, once I'm done with the door opening function, it's going to go to open door function. And in my open door, it is going to open the door by moving the position of the servo motor from 0 all the way to 180. It is going to go in increments of 1, and I have a delay of 15. Once the door is fully open, it's going to say door open, turn my green LED on and my yellow LED off. After that, it's going to wait 3 seconds and a half, and then it is going to turn my green LED off. After that, my door is going to start closing, because my first if statement has already finished the process. So after that, my centimeters is going to be greater than 5, because there is nothing in front of the ultrasonic sensor. So after that, it's going to call for the closed door function. In my closed door, it is going to start closing the door by moving my servo motor from the position that it was last at. So in this case, it was at 180 degrees. So it's going to start from 180 and go all the way down to 0. Before it closes, right in between, I'm checking again for anything that is obstructing my sensor. So if someone were to pass by, it's going to open the door again, even if it is halfway through. And it is going to call again my functions to open the door. But if nothing happens after everything is finished, my LCD is going to say door closed, turn my red LED on and yellow LED off. So that is how my automatic door is functioning.